Welcome to Twisted Creations. My name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today I am making lilac Easter bunny soaps instead of bath bombs. So let's get started. Still using Earth Secrets, our Earth Secrets Ghost Milk, not pour. Not doing cold process yet, but that's just because I don't have the space yet. We have an area that I might get to do a couple more things, but I do believe cold process is still going to be a year out along with resin. A year to a year and a half. I should say 2, depending on how plans go, how the world goes. Sorry about the interruption. My daughter came in making all sorts of noise, so I'm going to stick this in until it melts for 30 seconds each. 30 seconds or less each time, depending on where it's at in its melting process. You don't want to overboil it. We're going to measure out our fragrance oil. We're going to do 5 milliliters. Okay, that's half. It's 2.5 milliliters right now. That's 5 milliliters total. Got my alcohol here. Got my bunnies on the way. Fragrance oil in. Changed the colors a little bit. I'm hoping that doesn't discolor the bunnies. We'll find out. and spray the alcohol. Looks good. Like I said, this is not going to be a very long video. I'm going to let this sit, all of this sit for 24 hours. And tomorrow I will unmold these. Good morning. We're going to unmold the soap part today. So we're going to unmold the thank you one first. This one should be beautiful. Because it's just white. I don't foresee any problems. There's pink. I did not get out all pink soap from last night, did it? I didn't realize there was still any in there. Well, I know there's none now, so it's definitely clean. I didn't get it cleaned very well last time. So, but it smells wonderful. I love the smell of lilacs and lilies. So we'll set this aside. Now I know the bunny, I haven't unmolded those yet. The bunny will be fine because there's nothing put in it. So there won't be any pink. See how this little bunny comes out, hopefully. The ears and the little tail. Tail, ears. Bunny is so adorable and cute. I am so happy with how he turned out. These will be available for Easter if you're interested in one. They smell wonderful. Until next time, have a good day.